Hi guys, this is Prince Kings and this is my first technical analysis video. First of all, I just want to say shout out to Karoush AK. He has been of immense help. Watching his YouTube channel on how to do technical analysis has been wonderful. Thank you very much, Karoush. I just want to share my perspective as regards what I think about Ethereum. Ethereum as a cryptocurrency coin. But just as I've said, this is my own perspective, so don't take this as financial advice, please. So let's look at the 1 hour chart. Overall, when we look at the whole context of this chart, you can see the market has been going bearish for Ethereum of recent. Well, it peaked here, it went up, but now it came down again. Then also here there was a spike up looking at the chart here. Then it went up. But if you compare the overall context of the Ethereum USDT, you will see that it's bearish at the moment. That's what I see. The bear army is winning seriously and the bull is not fighting back at all. For the past 3 hours, currently you can even see that here now. You see the bear army has been winning. But this has been acting as a nice area of support. So what I went ahead to do is I drew the area of support and resistance. So the green is acting as area of support, the green line, while the red line is acting as area of resistance. So if we look at this chart, whenever it hits this position, the bulls fight hard a bit to pull it up. Whenever he tries to hit it, the fight hard a bit to pull it up. So the range, the support has been ranging within this area, which is at about 2,750 USDT currently. That's the area of support. While areas of resistance has been this point, well, also this data point. So if we look at, I drew this support and resistance area looking at the 1 day chart actually. So let's go to the 4 hour chart and see. Look at it. Is you can see the data point, this position here. You can see it hits here too, it hits here, bounces back, the price hits this point, bounce back, and it almost hit it again. So this position has been acting nicely as an area of support. If this position should break, another area of support is this range here, which is what we can see here, which is about the 2,600 range. So there's nice data point here and a nice data point here too. So the market is looking a bit bearish right now. So I would like us to look at the moving average and see what it tells us. So let's just keep it simple, as Karoush would say. Okay, so looking at the movie average, you can see there was a cross here, which was some that was last week, so about the 3,400, and since then the market has been dipping. So comparing the 20-day movie average and the 99, or let's say the 100-day moving average, this point here, this data point here, has been acting as area of resistance. And what I have noticed studying this chart is the area of resistance, the price area of resistance, has been reducing over time. It actually started from this point, 3,176. It dropped to 3,100. Now it dropped again to 3,000. Right now it's around this range. I don't know if it's going to drop to 2,900 at the end of today. But as at yesterday and day before yesterday, the resistance level was around this point, 3,100 and 3,000. So right now the level of resistance is dropping seriously. The price range is dropping seriously. So we are having lower highs currently in the market. So when we look at this chart, the 4 hour chart is actually showing a bit bearish signals down here. So if I should go to the 1 day chart now, which is the bigger picture, so this one gives us more data size, sample size is higher and the data quality is still big. So looking at this, you can see there's almost a crossing over of the 20 moving average and the 100 moving average. If this should happen, the price is going to dip down further. It might even break this resistance that has been holding on nicely for some time, and this one too that has been holding on nicely, this 2,600 range. We hope it's not like that. So I would say if you are not trading Ethereum USDT, just relax. Or like what I think I can do is to like trade the range. I either like take my long position whenever it comes here. I take a long like this 2,700 to 2,700 and 2,700 to 2,800 range. I take a long position where I set my profit around this range, $3,000 range. Another scenario is to short at that $3,000 range and take your profit at this 2,800 range or $2,700 range. So you're either flipping, you're just flipping. If the price gets past 3,185, I see a change or a reversal of this downtrend, a beat to this. So that's what I think. Meanwhile, if it breaks this position, I see that the bearish army is going to dig in deep, is to go deeper and deeper in search of another of area of support, which can be this position, which is 2,400, right? No, okay. There's a little one here. This data is data points here, yeah. So this range 2,500 range, and this is a psychological area of this is gonna be a psychological area of support because 2005 is kind of like a psychological number. So that's what I think, guys. Tell me what you think. Please, I need your positive and negative criticism, and also I need to know how to get drawing so that I can easily draw and show you where I am on the chart. Sorry, I couldn't do that now. I'm going to do that in my next video, hopefully. So I'll be waiting on your feedback. Thank you very much. May the bulls be in our favor.